Look at my two beautiful apple trees here, enjoying the sun today. Got some beautiful leaves growing on you. Yes, you do. This is my red delicious apple tree that I grew from a seed from the grocery store, from an apple seed from the grocery store. And this is my Gala apple tree that I got from Fast Growing Trees as a Christmas gift from my family. Look at those beautiful leaves growing there. Okay, I see something blooming there. Come on, apples, come on, apples. You gotta have two apple trees. I think different varieties too, to be able to pollinate each other, to grow with some delicious apples. So let's see how soon we're gonna have some apples growing.